I'll be showing you how to lower the alarm volume on your Android device. It's really simple, but you need to know where to find the right settings. So if you go to the clock app on your Android device and you're on the alarm section, if you have an alarm already put in there and you want to adjust the volume on it, you can just tap on the three dots in the top right corner, tap on settings, and then scroll down, and here you've got alarm volume. Now another way that you can do this is if you can see here, the volume buttons can control the alarm. However, you can get the volume buttons to do completely nothing when it comes to an alarm going off, or you can get it to control the volume. And that's basically it.